Welcome back to another vlog. Yeada here for those of you that are new. If you are new, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a little Sunday reset because we need to reset everything. Okay, the house, I need to clean up, vacuum, mop, like I need to do all of that, clean dishes. We got a couple errands to run today because I need some plug-ins for the bathrooms, my room, and they have them at Bath and Body Works for $2.95, and today is the last day, so I'm like, I need to go and get that. We need to go to the grocery store so I can get a few things for the week, but first up, we're going to church. Okay, so I think it's like, I don't have no phone or anything in here with me, but I want to say it was about 10:15 the last time that I left out my room. And y'all see we have these, well, this, because it's literally just one thing. I bought this off of Amazon. Okay, I've tried it once before and it didn't come out how I wanted it to, so I tried it again last night, and we're gonna see if the hair comes out because church starts at 11. Okay, so I knew I wasn't gonna have time to do my hair this morning because on Sundays I like to just lay in the bed for a while. So we're gonna see, y'all. Fingers crossed that the curls come out decent. Okay, you know, they might be okay. It might be okay. Look, it's giving a little something. All right, let's do a little fluff out. It's giving curls. Okay, little thing off Amazon. I don't know how much. I think this was like, what, $10 maybe? I don't know. It's been a while since I bought it, but I like this. I like this curl. This is what it looks like. It's just a long rope like thing, and it comes with two little scrunchies for you to hold it down, and it also comes for with like a clip, a claw clip, so you can like hold your hair, you know. Cute. All right, cool. So the hair is done. Real simple, real quick, real easy. Now on Sundays I don't really wear makeup, but I do like to do my brows and some eyeliner. All right, y'all, so the brows is done, eyeliner, mascara. So yes, I'm about to just put on jewelry, put on a sweater because the air be freezing in there, although it's like, I think it's like 70 degrees outside, so I'm gonna need a sweater anyway. But yes, and then we're gonna go. Alright, y'all, I got the girl with me. I got y'all girl with me. We just got to the mall, about to get some, I just need to get some plug-ins from Bath and Body Works, and she need to get some soaps, so that's all we plan to get. So we literally plan to get in and get out. I don't need nothing else.
We're gonna try to get what we come for, and that's it.
Exactly. So
fingers crossed we could do that.
we gonna see. Hey y'all, so I am back from the store. We actually back from everything. So church was great. Okay, I didn't get to check in about church service, but it was so good today, y'all. But I did make a stop at the grocery store to get I wanted to do my little egg bites for breakfast for the week, so I'm gonna make that. So I bought a few things for that. And then we also went to Bath and Body Works and I got some new plug-ins. Well, I actually switched out one of my plug-in for the plug-in, yeah, the wallflower. And then I got the refills. I got about 8 of them because they had them all for $2.95 today. So the girl talked me into getting some new scents. So I ended up getting Fresh Sheets, Laundry Day, Sweet Whiskey, which they had this. I feel like this is only a fall scent because I haven't had it since last fall. And then I got a Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint one. All of them smell so good. So after we clean up, okay, after I vacuum and then mop and everything, we're gonna go through the house and put these in the wallflowers. And yeah, and then I end up getting a free hand sanitizer spray. This one I got the Crisp Morning Air, so it smells good too. But now that we got our groceries, I'm gonna put those up. So I ended up picking up some rice. I got the Uncle Ben's rice. I get the jasmine rice, and I also get the brown rice. And then I picked up some mozzarella cheese for my egg bites because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do regular cheese. I wanted to do mozzarella. So we're doing mozzarella. I got some green onion. I picked up this little baby orange juice. My mom was like, just buy one because she bought a big thing of orange juice. But I'm like, I don't drink a lot of orange juice throughout the week. So she's like, just buy one. That way you can just refill it. So here we go. I got some sour cream. We picked up some green grapes. Y'all, they gave me all these bags. And then I picked up some eggs. So I am going to, that's everything that I got from the store. Oh, and some cranberry juice. I needed milk, so I got a cup full for my mom. So we are going to put the eggs, actually we're gonna leave these eggs out because I'm gonna be doing the egg muffins. I'm gonna clean up first though. Just because I gotta turn the oven on and I'm not trying to be sweating. So yes, I'm gonna put everything else up, leave the eggs out, the green onion, the cheese, and the milk. I'm gonna leave that to the side. I'm gonna put everything else away. I'm gonna let these soak in some vinegar, and then we're gonna put those up.
that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away.
Okay, y'all, so now that I have washed the dishes, cleaned up the living room, I need to clean up my room, but I probably won't film that. But I want to go ahead and make the egg muffins. So we are going to make that real quick. And to prep it, it doesn't take no time. I use a recipe from Pinterest. I just gotta find it. Okay, so this, okay, sorry y'all, I'm trying to get it. This is what they look like. This is also the recipe that I use. I don't put any like tomatoes and stuff in it. I just like mine to be spinach, cheese, and green onion. So yes, we're gonna do 8 eggs, a half a cup of milk, 1 cup of shredded, they say to use cheddar cheese, but I'm gonna do mozzarella cheese, spinach, salt, and then 2 scallions. So so this is what they look like. They're gonna come out really puffy, but they're gonna flatten out. And then once they flatten and cool off, I'm gonna put them in a container and in the fridge for the week. Tonight's dinner, courtesy of Trader Joe. And then I just have 2 pieces of cod fillets from leftovers. Let's see. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed my little Sunday reset. This is pretty much how my Sundays go. Church, clean up around the house, just get prepared for the upcoming week. So now I have breakfast for the week. So that's one less thing I have to do in the morning when I get ready to go to work. But yes, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.